Welcome back class. Today we are going to solve the lesson 3, that is subtraction of class 4, lesson 3, exercise 3a. First question, perform the following subtraction. Here the subtraction, the questions are given. That is very easy and simple as we learned in class 3. So the first one, 8 minus 4, 4, 7 minus 5, 2, 9 minus 3, 6, 2 minus 1, 1, and 7 minus 6, 1. These are the simple subtraction. The second question, 8 minus 7, 1, 4 minus 3, 1, 6 minus 1, 5, 1 minus 0, 1, 9 minus 8, 1. Third question, 8 minus 5, 3, 8 minus 6, 2, 8 minus 5, 3, 8 minus 7, 1, 8 minus 6, 2. Now the question number 4, that is question number D. Here we cannot subtract 3 from a 0. So we will take borrow from the other number. So after taking borrowing, 10 minus 3, 7, 9 minus 8, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 10 minus 5, 5, 3 minus 3, 0, and 8 minus 7, 1. In the same way, next question also, 10 minus 1, 9, 9 minus 2, 7, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 5, 4, and 6 minus 6, 0. Next question, 11 minus 9, 2, 8 minus 2, 6, 8 minus 1, 7, 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 7, 2, 2 minus 2, 0. Question number 2, find the difference. Here, three things are there. One is minuend, second is subtrahend, and third is difference. So the biggest number is the minuend, and subtrahend and the difference are two smaller numbers. Now in the first question, minuend is given 25,677, subtrahend is given 12,790. So the difference is 12,887. The second question, minuend is 9,45,672. Subtrahend is 7,21,561. So the difference is 2,24,111. Now question number 3. Which number is 1,234 less than 9,999? Here the word less than, it indicates the difference. So we will write the bigger number on the top and the smaller number on the bottom, and we will subtract like this way. 9,999 minus 1,234 is equals to 8,765. In the second question, 3,723 minus 100 equals to 3,623. In the third question, 90,000 minus 9,099 is equals to 80,901. In the fourth question, 10,000 minus 15, because the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000, so 10,000 minus 15 equals to 9,985. Question number 4, find the missing subtrahend. Here the second number is missing, that is subtrahend. So we will subtract difference from the bigger number, that is minuend. So first of all we will write the minuend on the top, and then we will write difference and subtract. So the answer is 12,692. In the same way we will do the second question, and in the same way we will do the third question also. Now find the missing minuend. Minuend is the greatest number or the largest number. So for finding the minuend, we have to add the remaining two digits, that is subtrahend and difference. So we will write the subtrahend and difference, and we will add to get minuend. In the same way we will do the second question, and in the same way we will do the third question also. Now, question number 6. Replace star by correct digits. Here, first of all, we will convert this subtract question to the addition question, and we can find out easily. We can find out the missing digits, as we have already learned in the lesson 2. Then, how we can find out the missing digits in a addition. In the same way, we will solve the second question and also the third question. Now the question number 7. Fill in the blanks correctly. We have learned about the properties of subtraction, where if we subtract the same digit, we will get 0. And if we are getting 0, it means we are subtracting the same digit. And if we are subtracting 1 from any number, so we will get the predecessor of that number. Again, in the same question, next question, if we are getting 0 in the answer, it means we are subtracting the same digit. And if we are going to subtract the 0 from any number, it means the number will be number itself. And in the last question, if the answer is predecessor, it means we are subtracting 1. Question number 8. What must be added to 2531 to get 62,953? We can write like this also. What must be added to 2531 to get 62,953? And we can also write like this also. Here the biggest number is the answer, the sum, so we will write the sum on the top, and then we will subtract the second number to get the first number. So 62,953 minus 2,531 is equals to 60,422. So 60,422 must be added to 2,531 to get 62,953. Question number 9. What must be subtracted from 53,876 to get 456? What must be subtracted means we are going to subtract a number from 53,876 to get, it means the answer is 456. We can write like this. It means we have to find out the subtrahend. For finding out the subtrahend, first of all we have to write the minuend on the top, and then we will subtract the difference from the minuend to get subtrahend. Now here 53,876 minus 456 equals to 53,420. So 53,420 must be subtracted to 53,876 to get 456. Question number 10. Subtract 5,912 from the sum of 8,998 and 6,479. It means we have to subtract 5,912 from the sum of 8,998 and 6,479. So in this case we have to solve the first number first. So we will find out the sum of 8,998 and 6,479, that is 15,477. Now we will subtract 5,912 from the sum of these two numbers. So 15,477 minus 5,912 is equals to 9,565. So when we subtract 5,912 from the sum of 8,998 and 6,479, then we get 9,565. Exercise 3B. The first question. Gaurav wants to buy a Maruti car that costs 2,95,340 rupees. He has only 1,67,120 rupees. How much more money does he need to buy a car? Now, solution. Cost of the car is 2,95,340 rupees, and Gaurav had money that 1,67,120. So the money needed by the Gaurav we can find out by subtracting the money he had from the total cost of the car. So 1,28,220 is the answer. So 1,28,220 rupees Gaurav needs more to buy that car. Second question. In March, Reena had 67,691 rupees in her bank account. In April, she had 49,949 in the bank account. What was the decrease in amount in 1 month? It means we have to subtract from the bigger number. We have to subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. The solution. Amount in March 67,691 rupees. Amount in April 49,949 rupees. So the difference is 17,742 rupees. So 17,742 rupees is decrease in amount in 1 month from Reena's account. Question number 3. How much more is 1 lakh than 60,666? It means we have to subtract the 60,666 from the 1 lakh to get the difference. It means 60,666 plus more equals to 1 lakh. We can write like this also. So we have to subtract 60,666 from 1 lakh. Answer is 39,334. So 39,334 must be added to 60,666 to get 1 lakh. Question number 4. Ridhim's flat is worth 9,69,000 and Aditya's flat is worth 7,47,000. Whose flat is more costly and by how much? It is clearly seen that the Ridhim's flat is more costly because it's having the higher value. But for how much we have to subtract the lower value from the higher value. So we will write the Ridhim's flat cost, then Aditya's flat cost, and then we will subtract. So the difference is 2,22,000. So Ridhim's flat is more costly by 2,22,000 rupees. Question number 5. A company made 7,98,146 telephone calls, out of which 86,197 were free. For how many telephone calls the company was charged? So we have to subtract the free calls from the total number of calls to get the charged call. So we will write the total telephone calls, then free telephone calls, and then we will subtract, and the answer is 7,11,949. So for 7,11,949 telephone calls the company was charged. Question number 6. The difference of two numbers is 17,961. If the greater number is 4,12,629, find the smaller number. It means the minuend is given and we have to find out the subtrahend. So solution. The difference of two numbers is 17,961. The greater number is 4,12,629. So we will subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So the answer is 3,94,668. So the smaller number is 3,94,668. Question number 7. Indian Railways has railway track of length 59,684 km. The National Highways has roads of length 24,943 km. Find the difference. So first of all, we will write the total distance covered by the Indian Railways, then covered by the National Highways, then we will subtract, and the difference is 34,741. So the difference is 34,741 kilometers. Question number 8. 3,43,392 people live in Goa and 3,51,462 live in Pondicherry or Puducherry. Which town has more people and by how much? We can clearly see that 3,51,462 is more than 3,43,392. But by how much? For how much? We have to subtract the small number from the bigger number. So we will write the population of Goa, then population of Pondicherry, then we will subtract. So the difference is 8,070. So Puducherry has more people by 8,070. Question number 9. Find the difference between the greatest 5-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number. So we have to first of all write the greatest 5-digit number, that is 99,999. Then the smallest 5-digit number, that is 10,000. So subtract. The answer is 89,999. So the difference between the greatest and smallest 5-digit number is 89,999. Question number 10. Mother Dairy produced 30,000 packets of milk in one day. It supplied 20,196 packets a day to various depots. How many packets were left behind? Now, the total production is 30,000 packets. Mother Dairy supplied milk 20,196. So the difference is 9,804. So 9,804 packets of milk were left behind. Exercise 3C. In this exercise, we have to calculate the more than one calculation. That is, it must be having the 2 addition problem or 2 subtraction problem, or 1 addition and 1 subtraction problem. Let us see the first question. Out of 78,900 books published in 1999, 26,543 books were of science, 15,938 books were of maths, and the remaining books were of other subjects. Find the number of books of other subjects. So, total book published in 1999, that is 78,900. Science books is 26,543. Maths books 15,938. So first of all, we have to add the science books and maths books, that is 42,481. Now we can subtract the 42,481 from the total number of books published, so that we can get the number of other books. So other books is 36,419. So 36,419 other books, other subject books are there. The second question. 3 persons A, B, C need 2 lakh rupees to start a business. A is having 55,000 rupees, B has 69,000 rupees and C has 39,000 rupees. how much more money is required to start a business. So first of all we need to see that how much money they are having altogether. So a business is of 2 lakh rupees, collecting money, that is A plus B plus C equals to 1,63,000. So the three of having 1,63,000 and they need 2 lakh. So we have to subtract the 1,63,000 from 2 lakh to know how much money they need more. So 37,000 rupees. So they need 37,000 rupees more to start the business. Question number 3. A young girl lost a diamond ring. The father brought her another one that costs 23,961 more than the previous one. If the father brought the diamond ring for 1,69,000 rupees, what was the price of the diamond that was lost? Here, first of all, the previous ring price we have to find out, and the new ring price is 1,69,000 rupees, and previous ring price plus 23,961 is equals to new ring price. It means the new ring price is 23,961 rupees more than the previous ring price. So we can write like this, and then we have to subtract the smaller number from the greater number, that is 1,69,000 rupees minus 23,961, that is 1,45,039 rupees. So the price of previous diamond ring that was lost is 1,45,039 rupees. Question number 4. A shopkeeper sold 36,313 kg of rice on Monday. On Tuesday he sold 769 kg of rice more than on Monday, and on Wednesday he sold 778 kg rice less than on Monday. How much rice was sold by him in 3 days? So first of all, on Monday 36,313 kg sold. On Tuesday, Monday plus 769 kg, because that is more means plus. So on Tuesday 37,082 kg were sold. On Wednesday, Monday minus 778 kg, because that is less. So on Wednesday 35,535 kg. Now we will add these 3 days. Answer is 1,08,930. So total 1,08,930 kg rice was sold by the shopkeeper in 3 days. Now question number 5. I borrowed 3 lakh from a friend. I paid him 66,678 rupees the first installment and 70,871 rupees in the second installment. How much more do I owe him now? So first of all, total borrowed is 3 lakh. The first installment means 66,678. So first installment means we have given the money to the friend, so we will subtract. So the answer is 2,33,322. Then the second installment means we have to subtract 70,871, means 1,62,451 more he have to pay now. Now question number 6. A student was told to write the numeral for 19,356, but he wrote 90,536. Write both in the numeral and find the difference between them. So first one, 19,356 equals to 19356. Second one, 90,536 36, that is 90536. So the difference 71,180. So the difference is 71,180.